Right, next it's the cleaning of the grill surface at the end of the day. The cleaning chemical that we use is the Diversey SUMA D3, like we have over here. It comes with its applicator, and the most important part about this chemical is that it is heat activated. In order to clean the grill, what you do is you set the temperature dial down to about 70 degrees Celsius so that the grill can cool down. You'll set the grill at that temperature, wait for it until the orange light comes on to show you that the grill has reached this temperature. And then once it's reached that temperature, you would then use the SUMA D3 to clean the grill. Very important, and I reiterate again, that the chemical is heat activated. So the correct temperature is 70 degrees. If the grill is warmer than that, the only thing that's going to happen is that the heat from the grill will simply evaporate the liquid component of the chemical. It will leave the solids behind, and it will not have the time to work on the fats, the carbon, to lift it off the grill surface so that you can wipe it away with the cloth. So it's very important you're buying a very good quality grill cleaner that is approved for the use on your Silex High Speed grill. Most important is the temperature. Again, the activation temperature for this chemical is 70 degrees. Do not try and attempt to clean the grill while it is warmer than that. Like our grill here, the temperature currently is 150 degrees. So to explain to you what happens is when I spray the grill cleaner on the grill, it simply is going to evaporate. So as you can see, it's not sticking to the grill, it's not cleaning, it is simply boiling away. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for this grill to cool down, and then we will shoot the second part to the cleaning with the SUMA D3, and then I will show you how to use that.